All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking new tools. All right, I haven't done one of these in a while because of, well, what's going on. So, got some new tools, figured I'd talk about them. All right, first one up is by Matco Tools, and I'd like to have this the other way, but the handle doesn't let me, so I can't have it nice and displayed. Ball joint kit from Matco. This is an updated version with locking adapters. I will have an in-depth comparison between this, the Snap-on, and the original OTC, so make sure you're subscribed to get that video and turn notifications on. All right, so there'll be an old in-depth video on that one. Next up is a new tire pressure checker. Part number is DT60 for orange. Now, I've had a Astra pneumatic for many years. Well, unfortunately, it decided to die on me. It's no longer springy, so I need to send it in and get it fixed. But I needed something in the meantime, so Robbie hooked me up with this one. Now, from Mac Tools, I got two new weighted sockets. Now, I've already got the 19, but I've run into where we really needed a 21 and a 22. Big old weighted sockets, taking crank bolts out. They weren't expensive, really about what you can buy them from Amazon, so I was like, yeah, I'll go ahead and take them. But I have run into a situation where we could have used one of those. Nobody in the shop has anything but 19 because we do a lot of Hondas. So nice little, nice little addition for when we have to do crank bolts. So hope you like my new tools. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. There's going to be a whole video on this Friday comparing it to the standard OTC C-clamp. There's going to be a video. Now, I will do an in-depth video on this Friday, so make sure I will do an in-depth comparison between this and the Snap-on ball joint press and the old Snap-on. I will have an in-depth video comparing this to the Snap-on and an old school OTC C-clamp. God damn it. Comparing them Friday, so make sure you're subscribed. I can't talk. A new tire